Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to introduce you all to my online apparel store business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, I'll walk you all through my online apparel store business plan template, which includes the Word document, which is the actual business plan template. And then also the Excel financial model, which is an Excel file, and that's where all your financial goodies are stored. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. And again, as promised, we'll go over a little bit about me, and then we'll dive into the template. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is my online apparel store business plan template. In this template, it does come with a Word document, which is the actual business plan template that you see right here. And I'll walk y'all through it and show y'all what's included. And then it also comes with, again, an Excel file. And I'll go ahead and briefly introduce y'all to the Excel file, show you what's included in that. Just keep in mind for the Excel file, I do offer a separate tutorial that helps y'all fill it in and make whatever changes that you need to be made. All right, so as promised, let's go ahead and take a look at the Word document. So the Word document, once you open it up, you're going to be introduced to the title page. Most of my clients, what they're going to do is they're going to put the business plan word down here, and then they'll change this out right here with whatever the company name is, or they'll put a logo in there. Second page is your table of contents. Once you go through your business plan template, you add a little meat to the bone, expand it, make it your own. Go ahead and go to the table of contents, click on it, click on update the table, click on update the entire table, click on OK, and then your page numbers and your headings will update accordingly. The executive summary section is pretty straightforward. Anywhere you see yellow highlights, I strongly recommend you review that information and change it and make it your own. Some of the sections included in the executive summary is going to be the online apparel store summary. You've got a target market starting point for you, financial highlights section, and a funding request section. The next section is going to be the company description. In the company description, again, I give you a great starting point for the online apparel store summary. The competitive advantage section, products, primary target market, pricing strategy, hours of operation section, location section, business objectives, and timeline. The next section is going to be your industry research. In this industry research, I do pull my information from IBIS World. In my most humble of opinions, IBIS World is the industry leader in industry research. So I go ahead and grab the report, summarize it, and then put it in here. And then we've got some summary information here. And then I summarize it into a nice little chart for revenues, profits, profit margins, and so on. Our next section is going to be the SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and threats. To update the smart art, you just click on it, and then you go to this little arrow right here. Go ahead and click on that arrow, and then once you get your bullet points, go ahead and change out the wording in the bullet points to make it your own. Next section is your organizational structure, broken into two categories, which is your ownership section and your organizational chart. Again, anywhere in yellow highlights, I strongly recommend you change. And then all the other information you can add to it, and so on from there. The next section is going to be the marketing section. Typically, your marketing section for an online apparel store is going to be in 3 channels: your traditional marketing, internet marketing, social media marketing. And for each one of those channels, I give you a great starting point for you all to build upon. The next section is going to be your funding request. How much money do you need to get the party started? Put it right here. The terms expected, interest rate expected, and then if you are going to be taking on a partner, what are your expectations for that arrangement? I give you a starting point down here. For the financial projections, I do financial projection statements. You'll fill out or update the financial model, which is included, and I'll show you how. Introduce you all to that model in just a second. But once you update your financial statements in the model, you'll copy the financial statements and paste them right here. And for the financial statements, they're broken into, for the first 12 months, it's monthly as well as quarterly. And then from that point, I give you annual projections, or you can copy and paste the annual projections. So here's the profit and loss for year 1, month 1 through 3, quarter 1, month 4 through 6, quarter 2, month 7 through 9, quarter 3, and then we got month 10 through 12, quarter 4, and then finally our pro forma income statement for annually for the next 5 years. That information is pulled from the financial model, which is right here. Again, Excel file, 4 tabs: your information page tab, profit and loss year 1 tab, income statement tab, and then your projections tab. All of your information that you update, you're going to want to make it updated in this tab right here. You change anywhere in the darker color cells, you update that information, and it'll update into your profit and loss for the first 12 months, as well as your income statement for the next 5 years. And this projections tab, this is just a summary tab. You can pull this information if you want to use it. It's got a nice chart here, and this segmentation, this information is not relevant at all, so don't worry about that. But on the information page, what you'll do is anywhere in the darker color cells, you go ahead and update that information with your information. And some of the areas or categories you can update, it could be your daily sales, your labor, your startup cost, monthly fixed cost, miscellaneous information, growth rates, and then your loan information. So anywhere, again, in the darker color cells, you update that information. And then your profit and loss financial statements will update accordingly. And then finally, all you do is just copy and paste these financial statements right here. And the income statement, you just copy and paste this information right here into the Word document once you're done updating. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.